Make a great choice today with the 2014 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.